With no bread, we decided to make this sandwich instead, and it turned out to be the best sandwich we have ever made. Here are 3 reasons why. Number 1, it is easy to assemble. Unlike the bread, paratha is bigger in size, which means you can throw any filling on top without missing the bull's eye. This is fish luncheon meat. You can watch our previous videos why we choose fish by clicking on these videos. Another cheese and place a quarter piece on top. We made a quarter piece by cutting it like this. Fold the bottom layer over to cover the fillings. The second best thing about this sandwich is the fillings will not ooze out. If this was bread sandwich, then you will probably see the cheese oozing out from the sides, or the meat might slide out while you are flipping the sandwich over. But this sandwich will not have any of that problem. The third reason why this sandwich is the best because it's super crispy and crunchy. We made it even more crunchier and more crispier by oven baking it after we pan fry the sandwich. The layering in the flat bread gives paratha that distinct puffiness similar to puff pastries. This technique of pan frying and baking will make sure the sandwich stays crispy longer. Unlike bread, it will become soggy and limp after some time. Watch next our apple cream cheese puff.
Whoa.
Subscribe,
Share and comment. Thanks for watching.